Photon Robot is one of the most technologically advanced educational robots on the market and can be used to teach students of all ages. Apart from teaching the fundamentals of programming, it also allows for creating more advanced programs that include the use of programming loops and functions. What's more, it can be used for hardware integration, making it a fully fledged partner, even for the most demanding students. We have previously mentioned Photon blocks and Photon code, which already enable you and your students to create complex programs. You can achieve far more, however, by taking full advantage of the interface available through Photon Magic Bridge. In addition to basic apps and interfaces, Photon Magic Bridge allows you and your students to program in more advanced programming languages such as Scratch, MakeCode, JavaScript, and Python. What's more, a dedicated Swift Playground app allows for programming in the Swift programming language. But what does this mean exactly? Well, first of all, it enables the integration of the Photon robot with other compatible tools, from integrating the robot's behavior with a virtual character visible in the popular Scratch app to combining it with far more advanced systems such as Lego. You can also connect the robot to camera devices, micro-bit controllers, or Makey Makey. To accommodate the needs of the more advanced students, we have also created the Photon Robotics Encoding Kit, which takes full advantage of micro-bit and MakeCode integrations, extending the robot's capabilities by allowing smooth data transfer between the two controllers and by additional controller sensors. Project-based and integrated teaching are the perfect ways to conduct classes with more advanced students. Challenge your students to solve different problems by working together. Teach them to split each task into planning, doing, and checking. By dividing the tasks in this way, they will learn to be comfortable exploring different paths of problem solving in an organized way. By testing and improving on their previous mistakes, they will learn to achieve results without the fear of failing. You can find exciting challenges for your students literally anywhere. During math classes, Photon may not only indicate whether the solution of a given exercise is correct, but can also calculate and solve it. Its sensors allow for gathering information from the environment, which can then be used to create more complex programs. With Photon Magic Bridge, Photon can be programmed in Scratch, MakeCode, JavaScript, and Python. Photon can be integrated with micro-bit and Makey Makey. When teaching programming to more advanced students, you may introduce project-based problem solving to the class.